This is a project that I've been working on recently. The idea was I kind of wanted to make something that looked like Obi-Wan and Luke's lightsabers, but had a couple of other interesting design ideas that I wanted to incorporate. I started with Fusion 360 and worked on that for a while. Talked a lot with Tim at the Custom Saber Shop to see what was possible and make design changes based on his equipment. And I'm pretty happy with how it came out. The emitter's got some cutouts there, windows. There's the top detail. I'm going to put a NeoPixel connector down in the bottom and then run some wires through the thin neck. Originally it was going to be two-piece with brass, or copper thin neck, and then the aluminum top, but I decided to make it one piece and go with the powder coating so that it would be a little bit more sturdy. I've got a kind of a custom set of buttons here to kind of look like the Graflex pens. And I also had a cast made. I looked forever to find the right copper mesh that I was looking for, and eventually I just modeled some in Fusion and had it cast in metal on Shapeways. And right now what I'm working on is the electronics chassis. I've just got a prototype going right now. I haven't gotten much farther than that, but I'm kind of waiting for the Crystal Focus 10 or CFX, and then I'll start finalizing things and get the electronics in this.